In this video, we're talking about Cygnus token, legit or scam. So do your own research before purchase this token. What is this? This is a Web3 wallet based on AI, guys. And this is the first Instagram applier merging on-chain, off-chain assets and powered the creator economy, and this is onboarding the next billionaire user onto Web3. So guys, you can start building and through this token. Just you can write this all details here. This is the layer of the first Web3 Instagram app layer and designed to merge on-chain and off-chain asset in support creator economy. This is the app, guys. You can connect your wallet here through this token. Click I have and confirm rules. Just click connect your wallet. You can start staking and you can connect through MetaMask, Binance, OKX, BitGet. And this is all the website. If I scroll down, I have, if I see something like this, we have also integrated with the industry leading customers. And this is all the on-chain here. You can read all this one, and this is collab with Base and Ventures and GSR and Open Network Foundations and Coinbase. The token listed, guys, on Uniswap V3 and BitGet and Tobit and Bitcan and Bitmart and XT. So the bullish is 79%, the bearish is 21%. Total supply 10 billion, max supply 10 billion of this token, and circulating supply is 12.3 billion of this token. And then, guys, this is all this token details here. If I check the tokenomics of this token, the holders, I see the top 10 is 97%, the other is 2.7%. This is the wallet, the top holders of this token. You can see here almost 1.2 billion of this token. A huge member here, guys. I see a transfer, a lot of transfer and a huge transfer, guys. You can see here, this is good inside also. And I see some engaging here on this community. This is good, another inside here. So guys, anyway, you have this community on GitHub, on Discord. So guys, anyway, I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice.